guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, then subscribe and stick around. What? This is my life. For today's vlog and just video in general, we are talking about motivation, getting remotivated, because I have been in a funk, let me tell ya. With the gym and healthy eating and everything. So to start things off, we're going grocery shopping. So I thought it was a good part and everything to include in the vlog. So we're gonna do that. Let's go. So I didn't vlog at the grocery store because it gives me too much anxiety, but we got the goods. Annie's low-key yelling at Reno in the background. It's fine. Nothing new. So we've been cleaning out the fridge and organizing. So now I'll give you a little haul of my groceries.
Looks like we're feeding 1,500.
I know. 6 people in one fridge. So because Steven and I are on a project comeback and are trying to be fit fam, so he already meal prepped because he's an overachiever. But I got peppers, tofu, I got some veggies in there, so it's gonna be a good time. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I am on my way to the gym right now, and I just kind of wanted to talk on my way to the gym. So yeah, this whole little vlog is all about getting my camera's just like sitting on my dashboard, so this is not the most like ideal situation, but it's better than holding it, you know what I mean? Like safety first. This whole vlog is all about like getting my motivation back and like my little like project comeback. If you guys watch Sarah's Day, she's one of my favorite YouTubers. That's what she calls her like reboot thing, is like project comeback, and I love that. I love it. So motivating. So that is what like grind that I am on right now. Same with Steven. He's really trying to like shred and get in like insane shape. Same as me. I just want to be in like awesome shape just for my health and my confidence. So those are like my goals. Yeah, and so I just wanted to share the little things I'm trying to do to get me motivated mentally, physically, everything in between. So like yesterday you guys saw we went grocery shopping. I got all kinds of like just good healthy groceries. I kind of like quickly showed you our fridge. My car is like so loud, so I'm really sorry if you can't hear me. I feel like I'm screaming. And now I am on my way to the gym. I'm really trying to like stay on top of it and track every day that I am going to the gym. So if you follow me on Instagram, here's the shameless Instagram plug. You guys will see that I post when I go to the gym, and I have like a calendar tracker that I have from our Booty page. So go screenshot that and track your fitness for the month as well, because it actually really holds me accountable, because I can visually see like when I am working out, and then I'm like, okay, I haven't worked out for like 3 days, it's time to hit the gym. We out here at the gym.
Welcome back.
Leg day is happening.
Leg day. A lot of squats, a lot of booty stuff.
Whew. Okay, let's get it.
Myself in my regrets, I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Bring it down, all the way down. Come on, come on, come on. Keep it going.
Casting all my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now.
I'm dead. Thanks for kicking my ass once again. We out here. That was a really, really, really good workout. I needed a really good workout like that. I'm dead. I'm gonna talk again after I shower and get ready because I'm death right now. We are here. We are sitting. A nice little setup. I got my water. So I just wanted to like sit down and chat towards the end of this little vlog, whatever you want to call this video, and just kind of talk more about motivation and how I get myself remotivated after I'm maybe like plateauing with my fitness and my health, or maybe I've just been eating like crap for a week straight and I need to like get myself back into healthy eating habits again. So yeah, we all get those moments where our motivation and our drive and like our energy just kind of like, you know, it happens. It happens to the best of us. I was listening to Kaylin Nicholson's podcast, Coffee Talks, or like Kaylin's Coffee Talks, something like that. I'll pop it up here on the screen. And I forget exactly which episode this was from, but it was one of her recent ones. And she was kind of talking about procrastination and everything. And one of the things that really like caught my attention, especially to talk about in this video, was she was talking about procrastination and just like changing your mindset could be like so powerful, and that really like resonated with me, and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna start doing this. So like instead of thinking, ugh, I don't want to go to the gym today, like I'm so tired, I'm exhausted, whatever the little excuse is, maybe just change the mindset of that, of like, wow, yeah, I'm tired, so I don't really want to go to the gym, but if I go to the gym and at least get some kind of workout in, my body will be more tired and I'll get better sleep tonight. Something like that, that just kind of like flips it on its head and makes it positive rather than a negative thought on why you're like maybe not motivated or procrastinating things, whatever the case may be. So I really, really liked that from her podcast. But also just something that I do to get myself remotivated, back in a groove, is I'll switch things up in my life. So I tend to get unmotivated when everything's like clockwork for me, you know? Wake up, go to the gym, go home, shower, change, go to work, come home from work, make dinner, watch TV, or edit a video, and go to bed. And it's just like, when that's every single day, it gets very just mentally exhausting. And I love routines. I'm a huge like routine girl, you know, nothing makes me happier than like after a vacation and you get back into the groove of things and like back to your everyday routine, but after a while it gets kind of old. So I really like to switch things up. That's why I have a yoga membership, and my membership is only like 4 classes a month, because it's just like the little bit that I need to kind of like spice up my week with like a different type of workout. Or like sometimes I'll go to a spin class randomly. Just like switching things up a little bit can really just kind of get you back in a groove, or at least it does for me. Also, like if we're talking with healthy eating, maybe I like find a new recipe on Pinterest and it gets me really like motivated to start cooking again, because the last week or so I've been picking up food, like takeout food, the entire time. So just finding something different to like spark that joy again really helps to bring my motivation and like my energy back up. So I hope this video helped you guys out in any way, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you like this kind of style of video where it's half vlog, half sit down, because I feel like it's just a lot more entertaining than me just sitting here talking to you guys for like 10 minutes straight. Alright, yeah, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram and all that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!